How to create a radial background. Import your image into Photoshop and remove the background. Create a gradient. Fill background with the colors of your choice. Then, go to Filters, click on Distort, and select Waves. Change the options to square, then by looking at the preview, make changes to the settings till you get what you want. Once done, click OK, and go back to Filters. Click on Distort again, and select Polar Coordinates. Select Rectangular to Polar, and then click OK. Once done, move your layer around till you get what you need.